So welcome to Was Cooks, and today we're going to be making our chocolate orange cookies. First of all, we're going to need butter and light brown sugar into our mixer. Beat that until it's smooth. Build up the speed on the beater till it's nice and smooth. Then we're going to add some vanilla extract and eggs to our mixture. And beat that again. Then we're going to add our dry ingredients. So we've got some plain flour going in there with some corn flour, some sea salt, some bicarb and some baking powder. In my flour I've got some natural powdered orange colour. Then in goes our chocolate chips. And we're going to beat that lightly until it all comes together to form a cookie dough. Then we're going to put in some Terry's chocolate orange. Then we're just going to mix these into the cookie mixture. Our next stage is the rolling. Now we're going to weigh them out into 100 gram pucks. Okay, and just roll them between the palms of your hands. Okay, they don't have to be perfect, but just a general roll, just to make sure all the mixture, there's no air holes or anything in it. There you have it, the perfect cookie puck. And you'll get roughly 9 out of this recipe. Then pop them on a tray, squish them down a bit, put some more Terry's chocolate oranges on if you want, or any other chocolate, and then melt them in the oven. We're going in at 170 degrees for 18 minutes. And there you go, enjoy!